right, now back to Ms. Squally. Sorry, sir, to confuse you. Your name?
You mind giving me just a minute here? I've just been rushed into here and I have not had access to any of the courts and any phone calls whatsoever. I just need about 10 more minutes if possible.
Okay, what's your name though?
Okay, well, I'm here by special and a limited appearance as the man. And at this point in time, per the common law side of the court, I'd like to enter an order.
What do your friends call you?
Excuse me, do you mind letting me finish? I'd like to.
Well, I need to know who you are. I can't help you.
Okay.
Who do you think I think you are? Who do they put on documents that you don't agree with? What's that name?
As I said, I'm here by special and limited appearance, and in accordance to the common law side of this court,
So, Ms. Gannam, did you have a chance to talk with the man I'm trying to figure out?
Yeah, and the jail believes this is Raymond of the family Paulo.
Excuse me, I told you not to interfere, and you accepted that liability. As per FARA, Foreign Agent Registration Act, you do not have the right to represent me as a legal person because that would be a fraud upon the court.
Okay.
Per FARA,
Mr. Paulo or Ray or Raymond, how do you like me?
Particular attempts.
How would you like me to refer to you, sir? I can't just say, hey, you. How would you like me to refer to you?
Capacity as an interested party.
Is that what your friends call you? Your family call you? What do they call you?
Before we jump into today's courtroom showdown, prepare yourself because this case takes nearly every sovereign citizen talking point you've ever heard and cranks it up to 11. What starts as a relatively straightforward criminal trespass arraignment quickly spirals into a bizarre battle over identity, jurisdiction, common law, corporations, and even who gets to decide what reality is. Our main character today firmly believes that by refusing to acknowledge his legal identity, he can somehow avoid the authority of the court altogether. But as you're about to see, the judge isn't interested in debating internet legal theories. She's interested in moving the case forward. As the hearing unfolds, you'll watch an extraordinary clash between a court attempting to conduct a routine arraignment and a defendant determined to challenge every aspect of the process. The judge repeatedly asks simple questions, yet each answer leads further down a rabbit hole of sovereign citizen ideology. From claiming he isn't a legal person, to declaring himself outside the jurisdiction of the United States, to accusing nearly everyone in the courtroom of fraud and unlawful conversion. This hearing becomes a masterclass in how not to handle a criminal case, but that's only the beginning. Later in the hearing, things take an even stranger turn when our defendant attempts something that may leave even seasoned courtroom watchers speechless. In a moment that feels almost impossible to believe, he tries to read the judge her own rights as though she's the one being arrested. Yes, that actually happens. The real question throughout this entire proceeding is whether the court can get through even the most basic procedural steps while facing constant interruptions and increasingly bizarre legal arguments. Stick around because every minute somehow manages to become more chaotic than the last.
Part of it, did you not hear?
I'm still looking for a name.
Okay, well, I'm not my name. I'm a man standing on the land as a Washingtonian, American national, non-resident alien to the U.S., and I'm not doing any business whatsoever and or trade under the jurisdiction of the U.S. and or subcorporation. I have never been in the United States. That's the facts. And so per the common law, trespass is now being attempted at this point in time. And from the beginning, I want to address this in a particular manner in order to settle these differences so that there is no unlawful conversions of estate property.
Okay, I'm going to jump over to the prosecutor and ask him what they know. So,
okay,
Mr. Sharp,
okay.
Has this person been identified?
Moment, please, Your Honor.
Okay, so is Mr. Sharp, you have a
yes, Your Honor.
First and last name?
One person at a time, sir. Let me hear from the prosecutor and then I'll turn back.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Paulo's identity was confirmed when he was trespassing and searched.
Slow down, sir. I just need to hear from one person at a time. I will come back to you. So please keep your peace while I listen to the prosecutor. All right, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Your Honor, a search incident to arrest uncovered a Washington State ID card that confirmed his identity as Mr. Paulo.
Raymond Paulo with a date of birth, June 25, 69.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so,
A legal person or a dead entity or a corporation?
so sir, are you telling me you don't want an attorney to represent you or what?
Attorney, in fact, I wouldn't need any to represent me, especially under the 11th Amendment. This would be an unlawful proceeding due to the facts.
Well, all right, so you got a right to have a lawyer represent you because you're charged with a criminal offense by the city of Lacey.
My rights.
And do you want Ms. Ganem, who's an attorney here in Washington, to assist you today?
Excuse me, I said I needed 10 minutes, and you were saying you're going to suggest something or another.
Well, I may give you 10 minutes, but we may see you tomorrow too. But I wonder, do you want an attorney to assist you?
Okay.
Do you want an attorney to assist you or not? I just need a yes or no there.
I'm hereby going to enter an order into the common law side of this court.
So I need a yes or no, sir. Do you want an attorney to assist you?
Exhaust my.
A yes or no answer, sir. Do you want an attorney to assist you? Can you answer yes or no to that? Do you want an attorney? Do you want an attorney?
I am an attorney, in fact, for the unincorporated state, and with all due respect, the U.S. and all of your administrative law is not providing me any services due to the facts is that I'm ordering a stay on the common law side of this court in order to address my
So you say you're an attorney. In fact, have you been allowed to practice law in the state of Washington by the Supreme Court of Washington?
No, I'm not a bar member.
Okay.
I'm a man.
All right. So do you want an attorney to help you?
I'm hereby entering an order on the common law side of this court in order to stay for these administrative hearings for me to exhaust all my administrative.
You got a few, I think you're a little confused and you got bad information. This is a criminal case, not an administrative hearing. It's a criminal case. You're charged with a crime called criminal trespass in the first degree. And it carries a maximum sentence of 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. And again, you have a right to have an attorney and a right to not testify against yourself if you go to trial or hearing. You have a right to be presumed innocent, and you cannot be found guilty unless the city of Lacey proves this against you to beyond a reasonable doubt, or if you pled guilty to it, that would be your choice. Again, you have the right to have an attorney assist you here. Anything, I'm still trying to get a question answered there. Do you want to answer that question or not?
Am I going to be able to answer without your interference? Because you keep cutting me off. That's not the sort of conduct that's necessary. It seems to be you're practicing law from the bench. I would appreciate it if you refrain from such and let me speak for myself as a man, not a legal person or a legal entity or a corporation, which I've denied. And I'm going to show you the paper here on the affidavit. Affidavit, statement of truth. I, man, the living soul, hereby deny corporate existence and do not occupy any corporate capacity and or status whatsoever. I further state the above statement of facts are true, correct, and not misleading, and swear to each under the penalties of perjury per 28 U.S.C. 1746C. And there's my signature, Raymond Van Paulo, December 22nd, all rights reserved, not in the sunset, not pro tem.
Okay, Raymond Paulo, we finally established that. All right, got it. Do you want an attorney to help you?
Excuse me, per the common law, you are now trespassing. That's a common law trespass. Please. Are you a bar member? You have a conflict of interest. I would imagine you need to recuse yourself if you want to operate on that side of the court.